Okay, now we are starting with question number 9. And question number 9, they are saying the function is, the f is defined by f of x, this is for f of x, for x is greater than 2. Okay, so this is the domain of f, this is the domain of f, okay, this is the domain of f. Okay. Okay. So in part A, they are saying find an expression for f complement x and hence determine whether f is an increasing function or a decreasing function or neither. So first of all, you have to know, you have to have some knowledge about what is decreasing or increasing function. So I'm telling that if you have f complement x is greater than 0, it means it is an increasing function. Increasing function if f complement x is less than 0, so it means it is a decreasing function. Okay, so now first this is in f of x, so we have to make an f complement. So in this what we will do, we will do a differentiation. So f of x is equals to 4 whole bracket 3x minus 6 minus 2 plus 1 whole bracket 3x minus 6 and minus 3. So when we will do differentiating, so f complement x is equals to 4 multiplied minus 2 bracket 3x minus 2, and when we do minus 2 minus minus 2 minus 1 will be minus 3, and we will also differentiate this bracket. So after differentiating, 3 will remain. So 3 plus 1 bracket minus 3, 3x minus 6 minus 4 and 3. Okay. So wait a minute. I'm copying this thing here. Look for your knowledge. Okay. Now when we calculate this, so this will be uh, plus minus 9 over whole bracket 3x minus 6 into minus 4. Okay. Sorry, plus positive 4. Now, what we will do in from here, minus will be common. So in bracket, so in square bracket, what will remain? 24 over 3x minus 6 whole bracket 3 and plus 9 over 3x minus 6 whole bracket 4. Okay, now you have to know that it is this minus is always negative, always negative, and this whole bracket is always positive. It's always positive. So if we have negative and positive, so f complement x will also be negative. Okay, so f complement x always negative. So from this we have to check it is an increasing function or decreasing. So f complement always negative, so it means it is a decreasing function. Okay. Okay, so what is the answer? Therefore f what yes, f is an decreasing decreasing function for x is greater than 2. Okay, this is our final answer. Now moving to part B. In part B, they are saying state whether f inverse exists. Give reason for your answer. So first of all, f the f function is a decreasing function. So when we have decreasing function, the graph will be like this. So it will be have a turning point because it is will be decreasing. So the answer will be yes. Answer will be yes. F complement x exist because f is always decreasing, which which means which means it does not it does not have turning point. Okay, because when something is decreasing like this, so there is no turning point. Okay, so when it is, if it will increase, so it will be have a turning point. Okay, so I think this part will be clear. Okay, now in part B they are saying the function g is defined by g of x, this where for x is greater than a. Find the range of g in terms of constant a. For this, what we will do, we have to make the sketch of the graph. So if when y will be 0, so x will be, yes, here is I'm sketching the graph. Okay, when y will be 0, so x will be 3 upon 4. If x will be 0, so if x will be 0, so y will be minus 3. Okay, now, so from here, we will connect the lines. So from here, line has been connected. Okay, so we have to find what we have to find, range of g in terms of constant a. So they are saying x is greater than a. So I am saying if we have a here, which is this. Okay, if we have a here and the y value for this is 4a minus 3. Why 4a minus 3? Because g of a is equals to 4a minus 3. In the place of x, a has come. Okay, so yes. So the range of for this will be, so here it is a point. So we have this range only. Okay, so the range for this will be, this range will be this is g of a, so it will be y is greater than 4a minus 3. So what will be the answer? So look here, r of g, it means range of g, g of x is greater than 4a minus 3. Okay, so this is our final answer. Okay, now, yes, now in part D, they are saying find the set of values of the a for which the composite function fg exists. So when we have composite function, so in composite function, the domain, yes, in composite function we use the domain of f. Okay, okay. Now, so I am writing this that the range of g is equals to domain of f, domain of f, domain of f. Okay. So, what is the range of g? Range of g is 4a minus 3. And what is domain of f, which is greater than 2? Okay. So, a is greater than 5 upon 4. This is our final answer. Set of values. Why? Because we have solved this. How we will solve this? 4a minus 3 is 4a minus 3 is greater than 2. So 4a is greater than 2 plus 3. So this will be 4a is greater than 5. So a is greater than 5 upon 4. This is the set of values. Okay. Now, now we are doing question number 10. In question number this is in question number 10 is about the topic of circle measure. In question number 10, they are saying the diagram shows a circle with center A and radius R passing through points B, C, and D. A larger circle radius has a center C and passes through B and D. The length BD is also S. Show that S is equals to square root of 3S. So in part A, we have to show that S is equals to square root of 3S. So first of all, look at the diagram. This diagram is complicated, so you have to observe this. So first of all, look this. This whole is 60 means this whole is 60. So in pi, it means pi upon 3. Okay, so we will divide in two parts. So we divide, it will be pi upon 6 and this will be pi upon 6. Okay, so this will be pi upon 6, pi upon 6. This will be also pi upon 6. Okay, and this will also be pi upon 6. Okay, and this is also pi upon 6. This is also pi upon 6. Now we have to show that there's different different types. How can we also? I'm doing like this. If we make the line, if I have made this line, okay. So in this, what? Here is a 90 degree. Here is a 90 degree. Okay, and this will be pi upon 3. This is also pi upon 3. Wait a minute. Mm, yes. This is also pi upon 3. Okay, so now, and this is 1 upon 2s, and this is 1 upon 2s. Now, I'm using this triangle. Okay, I'm using this triangle. So, if we use this triangle, this is, we have know that this is pi upon 6, this is 90, and this is pi upon 3, and this is 1 upon 2s. So, we can use a trigonometric ratio. How? We will use SOHCAHTOA. We will use SOHCAHTOA trigonometric ratio. Okay. So in this triangle, cos is being applied. Okay, cos, which means cos is equals to yes, cos is equals to opposite upon sorry. This is hypotenuse. Yes. And cos it is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So when we do this will be cos pi upon 6 is equals to adjacent, which is 1 upon 2s. Okay, 1 upon 2 can be written as 0.5. So I am writing 0.5 as opposite upon hypotenuse. Okay. Now, in circle measure question, your calculator must be in written. Okay. So cos pi upon 6 is equals to square root of 3 upon 2. Square root of 3 upon 2 is equals to 0.5 s over r. So this will be square root of 3 is equals to square root of 3r is equals to h, because 2 multiplied by 0.5 is equals to 1. That's why s will remain so. So that's how we have shown. Okay. Now, okay. But 10 part B, they are saying find an expression for the area of shaded region, giving your answer in the form of a plus b pi r square, where a, b are the constant to be found. Okay. So first of all, look, this is the area of shaded region. So first of all, we have to see that this is a area of sector, first area of sector. So can we write this like area of first sector is equals to 1 upon 2 r square theta. R means radius. So the radius in this is r. So this will be remain same. So what is the theta? R square. So theta will be this. Theta will be this. Pi upon 3 plus pi upon 3. So if we will do pi upon 3 plus pi upon 3, this is 2 pi upon 3. Okay. So uh, this will be 2 pi upon 3. So in this 2 to cancel. So this will be r square pi upon 3. Okay. So this is the area of first sector. Now what we have to find? Now we have to find area of triangle. Now what we will use this triangle. So these two triangle. So we will use the area of triangle formula. So when we use area of triangle is equals to 1 upon 2 AB into A is R multiplied by R into sine, and it sine theta will be sine C means this will be 2 pi upon 3. So this will be R square, and sine 2 pi is square root of 3 over 2. Okay, square root of 3 upon 2 is sine. Okay, so wait, I am also checking sine 2 upon sine 2 upon 3 pi is, yes, square root of 3 upon 2. So this is the area of triangle. Now we have to now we will do now we have to do area of segment minus area of big sector minus area of big triangle. Now where is area of big sector? I'm telling you. Okay, segment, in segment, this segment and this thing, this is the segment. So for this we have to what area of big sector minus area of big triangle. So this is the area of big sector. This is the area of big sector. We have to minus this with area of big triangle. So area of big triangle is this thing. The area of big triangle is, and the big triangle is this thing. Big triangle is from this. This is the big triangle. Okay, we have to minus this. So to find the area of segment, this thing. Okay, so what we will do, area of big sector. So area of big sector 1 upon 2 into r, radius of big sector is s. This is the radius, this is this s. Okay, of this big sector. Okay, this is so we will write 1 upon 2 s square, and we will take theta as 2 pi upon 6, 2 pi upon 6. So this will be n minus area of big triangle. So AB into sine C. So A is S into sine 2 pi upon 6. So if we simplify, so it will be pi s square over 6 minus s square upon 2 and into square root of 3 over 2. Okay. We can also check sine 2 pi upon 6 is equals to square root of 3 over 2. Okay. So now what it will be? Yes. Uh, yes. Area of triangle. This is not 2, it is 4. Okay. This is 4. Now, this is not 2, this is 4. Okay. Now, I'm here. So, yes. If we simplify, so it will be pi s square upon 6 minus square root of 3 s square upon 4. Now, what we will do? Now, we have to find the area of shaded region. Okay, so to find the area of shaded region, we will minus this and we will minus this, this, and this whole thing. Okay, so yes, now pi upon 3 minus r square square root of 3 upon 2 and minus pi s square minus square root of 3 s square over 4. And now this will be, and when we simplify, so this will be, if we simplify this equation, so this will be, now in the case of this s, we have in part A we have s is equals to square root of 3r. So in a place of this we will write pi square root of 3r whole square upon 6 minus square root of 3 and square root of 3r whole square upon 4. So this will be, yes. So when we do this, so r square pi upon 3 minus r square square root of 3 over 4. This is 3 over 4 and minus square root of, sorry, 3 pi r square upon 6 minus 3 square root of 3 r square upon 4. Okay, I'm simplifying this. Okay, now this will be r square, this will be pi r square upon 3 minus square root of 3 r square upon 4 minus 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. So this will be pi r square upon 2 plus 3 square root of 3 r square upon 4. Okay, so from this r square will be common, so r square, this will be pi upon 3 minus square root of 3 over 4 minus pi over 2 and plus 3 square root of 3 over 4. Okay, so when we simplify this, if we simplify this with the help of the calculator, so yes, so first of all we will do pi upon 3 minus pi upon 2, pi upon 3 minus pi upon 2 is equals to minus pi upon 6 r square whole bracket minus pi upon 6, and if we do minus square root of 3 upon 4 plus this, so this will be square root of plus square root of 3 upon 2. So this is our final answer. And so this is how I have done question 10. So please check it again and see this carefully. So thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.